We are living in a time where artificial intelligence can write emails, create videos, analyze data, and even replace entire job roles. And this raises a very important question. What will make humans valuable in the future if machines can do almost everything? Will technical skills still be enough? Or is there something deeper, something AI can never replace? In this video, I want to talk about why emotional intelligence and personal development will become the most important advantage in the coming generation. Not because AI is weak, but because human depth is irreplaceable. Let's be honest, AI is powerful, it is fast, it is efficient, and it is improving every single day. Tasks that once required years of training can now be done in seconds. Writing, coding, designing, analyzing, and this creates fear for many people. People are asking, will I still be needed? Will my skills still matter? Will I be replaced? But here is the truth most people don't realize. AI is replacing tasks. It is not replacing human consciousness. It is not replacing human emotional experiences. And it cannot replace your inner world. The future will not belong to the people who only develop external skills. It will belong to the people who develop internal strength. AI can process information, but it cannot feel meaning. AI can generate responses, but it cannot experience purpose. AI cannot replace emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is your ability to understand yourself, to regulate your emotions, to stay calm in uncertainty, to understand others, to lead, connect, and create trust. In the future, technical skills will become more common, but emotional intelligence will become more rare. And rare qualities are always more valuable because no machine can replace self-awareness, empathy, authenticity, emotional resilience, human connections. These are human advantages, and they will become the real currency of the future. In the past, personal development was seen as optional, something nice to have, but now it is becoming essential. Because the biggest challenge of the future is not technology, it is emotional adaptation. People will struggle with uncertainty, with identity, with purpose, with change, and the people who succeed will be not those who resist change, it will be those who understand themselves deeply, those who can adapt emotionally, those who are not controlled by fear but guided by awareness. Pers- Personal development helps you build inner stability, mental clarity, emotional strength, self trust, and when you have all these qualities, you are no longer afraid of the future because your strength comes from within, not from external circumstances. AI will not replace humans, AI will reveal humans. It will reveal who is dependent on external validation and who is internally strong. The future belongs to people who invest in their inner growth, people who understand their mind, people who develop emotional intelligence, people who can lead themselves before trying to lead others. Because technology can amplify your abilities, but it cannot create your identity. Only you can do that. So, as the world becomes more artificial, your job is to become more human, to understand yourself, to develop emotional intelligence, to build inner strength. Because in a world where machines can do almost everything, your humanity becomes your greatest advantage. And the people who develop their inner world will lead the outer world. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What is one human quality you believe AI can never replace? And if you want to go deeper into personal development and emotional intelligence, subscribe to this channel. Because your inner growth is your real future security.